Here's a Lawnboy 2-cycle lawnmower, 19-inch cut. Now what was wrong with this one is the line that goes from the primer to the carb was hard and it was losing air in between the connectors, and the carburetor was dirty. So I'll give it a start and just show you how she runs. The thing with these mowers is you have to mix the gas, kind of like in your chainsaw. Some people don't like that. And it is a bit noisier sometimes. But overall, they're pretty good lawnmowers. They do last a long time. This one's pretty old because it doesn't even have the safety lever on the handlebars, so it's still running after all these years. Anyways, that's it.